My friend, this is Subhash Yadav here, and we have researched one method which is generate me more than a $10,000 per month you promoting high ticket products. So, if you really want to make your first $10,000, then please watch this video till the end, and I will show you simple three-step formula where you can follow and make more than 100K per year through affiliate marketing without creating your product, without managing customer services, without doing anything, when 90% done for you, offer for you. Okay, so number one, if you want to make your $10,000 per month, then what you need to do, you need to focus on promoting just one high ticket product which is generate more than $1,000 per sale you profit. So you need to just promote only, you need to generate only 10 sale, and you will make your $10,000 per month. And if you want to make 100K per year, then you need to generate 10K per every month, and you will make 120K every single year. So how you can do it? It is very simple. So we are going on our dashboard and show you the exact offer and trainings which I am using and generating, me and my student, my friends and my business partners, every people's using this exact same training, and they are making tons of money. So you can see this is the Asle. He making $7,410 just one single day, and last 7 day, $19,743. It is enough amount. Not only one, you can see this is my friend who created this amazing course, and he explained everything one-on-one about how you can make tons of money every single day. So you can see this is the WhatsApp conversation. So I will showing you the training. So hold on, here is the complete training. It is around full training how you can so basically it is done for you process, so you don't need to effort any technicals, and we can manage everything for you. We can create a funnel, we can manage your email list, we can manage everything. You just focus on to generating a traffic, and we will show you how you can generate traffic. So you can see everything done for you. Funnels, it is welcome, it is let's build your done for you funnel, and you can make around 30 your 30K in first 90 day. Okay, it is 3 month, and how you can get a result, and how you can generate in Instagram, TikTok, how can generate a lot of traffic from Instagram and TikTok accounts. So you don't need to any paid promotion. Okay, and you will get a lot of training. So you don't need to any running a paid traffic to generate your 10 sale per month. It is completely free, and you will definitely guaranteed make. Okay, so what you need to do is simply click the link description below and come on this page. Okay, which is where it is Safari. Yeah, you come on this page. Okay, here how you can walk up with an additional $1,000 to $5,000 in your bank account every single day without need to create your own product, website or personal sell anything yourself. It is really amazing offer. So what you need to do, simply just read this book, this page. It is by my friend and me. Okay, and click on this and enter your name and email ID, and you will get access your free training. It is 1 hour webinar call where you will learn everything. And if you want to contact me, one you need to do, we have put our Instagram ID. So simply click on the connect me and follow on Instagram, where I will show you, explain you everything, and we will give you one-on-one support on my Instagram. Okay, so don't worry, it is very unique method. So if you follow, if you want to learn more about, simply click on the link below, and you will generate your $10,000, even $1,000 per day. So it is $30,000 per month. But in case if you are a beginner and if you are not able to generate $1,000 per day, then if you generating $1,000 just per 3 days, then you will make your 10 sale. At 10 sale, more than around $10,000 to one sale, around $1,000 per day per sale commission. Okay, so if you have any question, then feel free to comment us, and I will show you, I will give you a personal support one on one. Okay, so I'm really my pleasure to watching this 5 minute videos, and thank you so much.